Are you ready to learn how to make money while you sleep? Literally, you heard that right. We're diving into the world of passive income ideas that will have you earning even while you snooze. And the best part, these strategies are not just for 2023. They're set to soar in 2025 as well. So let's get started. Starting with number 10, dividend aristocrats. This is an investment strategy for those who love the idea of receiving dividends on their investments. What makes dividend aristocrats special? These are companies that have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. The list includes giants like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. If you invest in a broad market index fund, you'll likely receive dividends from these companies. These stocks typically offer steady growth and outperformance over time. Dividend aristocrats prioritize returning value to shareholders through consistent dividend increases. While they may not always outperform the market in the short term, their long-term track record is impressive, making them an attractive option for investors seeking reliable passive income. It's important to note that investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. So do your research before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to stay tuned for more amazing passive income ideas coming up. Now let's move on to number 9, create and sell online courses. With the rise of e-learning, creating and selling online courses has emerged as a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once you've created the course, it can generate revenue even while you sleep. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific and Kajabi make it easier than ever to host and sell your courses. The best part, you don't need to be an expert in every subject. You can teach what you're passionate about or even outsource the course creation process. This allows you to explore new income streams without having to build another business around it. Your course can provide valuable knowledge in various fields such as personal development, business skills, or hobbies. And the great thing about this passive income idea is its scalability. As your course gains traction and receives positive reviews, it can continue to bring in revenue for years to come. You can also expand by offering more courses or bundles, diversifying your income streams further. The possibilities are endless. Number 8, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers and lenders directly, cutting out traditional financial institutions and allowing individuals like you to earn interest by lending money. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper enable you to invest in a diversified portfolio of loans, reducing risk and potentially earning higher returns than traditional savings accounts. As a lender, you'll receive loan payments from borrowers over time, providing a steady stream of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending offers diversification opportunities by allowing you to spread your investments across various borrowers and loan types. By diversifying your portfolio, you can mitigate the risk of default and potential late payments. And the best part, many platforms offer auto-invest features. This means that once you set up your account and investment preferences, the platform will automatically invest your funds on your behalf, making the process completely hands-off. Number 7, create a membership site. Building a membership site can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. By providing exclusive content and benefits to paid members, you can generate a recurring revenue stream without having to constantly sell products or services. Platforms like WordPress with membership plugins simplify the process of creating and managing your membership site. Choose a niche or target audience and provide value through exclusive content such as tutorials, guides, or community forums. Offer different membership tiers with varying levels of access and benefits to cater to different user needs and price points. One of the great things about this passive income idea is the potential for growth. As your membership base expands, you can continue to add new content, features, and benefits, enhancing the value proposition for existing members and attracting new ones. You can also leverage the power of word of mouth and referrals to increase your membership base organically. Plus, if you want to monetize beyond a membership site, you can turn your most popular articles into online courses. This allows you to diversify your income streams and reach a wider audience. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing continues to be a powerhouse for generating passive income. As an affiliate marketer, you promote other people's products or services and earn commissions on the sales you drive. It's a win-win situation. You get to promote products you like and earn passive income without having to create your own products. Partner with brands or businesses that align with your niche or target audience and integrate their affiliate links into your content. Whether you have a blog, social media presence or email list, you can leverage your existing platforms to promote affiliate products. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is its scalability. You can join multiple affiliate programs and promote a wide range of products. The more products you promote, the greater your earning potential. You can also leverage tools like Google AdSense to display relevant ads on your website or content, generating additional passive income. The best part, you can automate some aspects of affiliate marketing, such as using software to track your links and optimize your campaigns. This allows you to streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings. Number 5, drop shipping. Drop shipping remains a popular e-commerce model for generating passive income. With drop shipping, you don't need to handle inventory or shipping, making it easier to start and scale your business. Partner with suppliers who offer drop shipping options and integrate their product catalogs into your online store. Streamline your drop shipping operations by using software that automates order fulfillment and shipping. One of the advantages of drop shipping is the ability to test different products and niches without committing to large inventory purchases. You can analyze market trends and customer demand to identify profitable products and adjust your offerings accordingly. Additionally, drop shipping allows you to target global markets without geographical limitations. You can reach customers worldwide by leveraging the right suppliers and shipping providers. Number 4, royalty income from intellectual property. Generating royalty income from intellectual property is a unique passive income idea that can provide a steady stream of revenue. If you own copyrights, trademarks, patents, or other forms of intellectual property, you can earn royalties each time someone uses your creations or your IP. For example, if you're an author, you'll receive royalties every time a book is sold that you've written. As a songwriter, you'll receive royalties whenever your music is played or streamed. The great thing about this passive income idea is that it allows you to monetize your creativity and hard work. Your intellectual property can continue to generate income even after the initial sale or distribution. By protecting your IP and enforcing your rights, you can ensure that you receive the royalties you're entitled to. And the best part, royalty income is often recurring and can grow over time. As your IP becomes more popular or valuable, your royalty payments can increase, providing a reliable and potentially lucrative source of passive income. Number 3, real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide a unique way to invest in real estate without directly owning or managing properties. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate, and they are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. You can invest in REITs through the stock market, allowing you to diversify your real estate holdings. The great thing about REITs is that they offer the potential for passive income and long-term growth. REITs typically provide investors with regular dividend payments, giving you a steady stream of income. REITs can also appreciate in value over time as the real estate market grows and develops. One of the advantages of REITs is their liquidity. Unlike direct real estate investments, REITs can be bought and sold easily on the stock market, providing investors with flexibility and the ability to quickly adjust their portfolios. And the best part, REITs can help you mitigate risk in your investment portfolio. They often have a low correlation with other asset classes such as stocks and bonds, meaning they can provide a valuable diversification benefit. Number 2, licensing your photos and videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, licensing your photos and videos can be a great passive income idea. Websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your work and earn royalties each time someone licenses your images or videos. The best part, you only need to upload your content once, and it can generate revenue even while you sleep. One of the great things about this passive income idea is that it leverages your creativity and technical skills. You can capture stunning photographs or create engaging videos and earn royalties without having to constantly produce new content. Plus, there's no limit to the number of images or videos you can upload, allowing you to build a diverse portfolio that generates multiple income streams. You can also set your own prices or leave it up to the platforms to set royalty rates, ensuring that you receive fair compensation for your work. And the best part, the earning potential is virtually unlimited. As your portfolio grows and your content is licensed more frequently, your income can increase significantly, providing a lucrative passive income stream. And finally, number 1, create and sell physical products. Creating and selling physical products presents an excellent opportunity to generate passive income. With the rise of e-commerce and print-on-demand services, you can start a product business without managing inventory or handling shipping. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Redbubble allow you to create an online store and sell your products to a global audience. You can leverage services like Printful or Printify to fulfill orders, allowing you to focus on designing and marketing your products. One of the great things about this passive income idea is that it allows you to pursue your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. You can design and sell products that reflect your unique style and appeal to your target audience. And the best part, you can leverage the power of online marketplaces and social media to promote your products. Reach a wider audience and generate passive income without having to build your own website or marketing infrastructure. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more informative content. Remember, building wealth takes time and discipline, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals.